Hey guys, today we are at the outskirts of Panvel and we'll be exploring Kolhapuri food at the hotel Saat Bara. Located at Panvel Palaspe along the Mumbai-Goa National Highway 66, this restaurant is a popular stop for travelers heading to Alibagh, Kolhapur and Ratnagiri. I have included a Google Map location in the description.
तांदळाचं भाकरी आणि ही ज्वारीची भाकरी आणि ती बाजरीची भाकरी.
The restaurant has a cozy and inviting ambience. It has ample space to accommodate easily over 1,000 guests. They offer an extensive variety of thalis with over 16 options available, including chicken, mutton, vegetarian, and fish. Menu is pretty exhaustive. I think so. Let's go for chicken thali. I think they have something called Saat Bara special chicken thali. So we'll be ordering that along with we'll take one chicken starter, chicken kolhapuri. Let's go for chicken kolhapuri. Let's see how it goes. That's chicken kolhapuri. So on the thali, we have one big bakri, tanlachi bakri, and we have one puri rasa, tamda rasa, and then there is two different type of chicken here, and then they will also be serving the rice. Very good. Let me try this.
How is it?
Very good, very good. It tastes different. Both taste different. This has a lot of healthy taste, but this is something different, a lot of spice, but totally different, two different tastes. And I like this rasa, Kolhapuri rasa.
Yeah, tamda rasa.
Tamda rasa is very good. Very good. The bill totaled rupees 848 rupees for two people, averaging about 425 rupees per person. This seems relatively higher compared to other restaurants.
The food?
Food was very good. I think so. The Indrani rice was very good. I like the two chicken there. The gravy, chicken gravy was very good, and even the rasa. I think overall everything was very good, and I recommend this. If you are here, go for this.